What's going on, everybody? Right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and trade the right cryptocurrency that can potentially make you more money today. So you can literally grow your money fast on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. So let's get started. The best way to grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange is to find and trade the right cryptocurrency that can potentially make you more money every single day. The question is, what are the right cryptocurrencies to trade today? The answer? Let's find out from the Live Crypto Hunters AI tool. Look, the Live Crypto Hunters AI tool scans the entire Bybit cryptocurrency exchange and shows you a bunch of the right cryptocurrencies to trade every single day. So head over to livecryptohunters.com and apply for a free access to the Live Crypto Hunters AI tool. And once you've done that, log in and use the candlestick price chart data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency to identify where the price action of most cryptocurrencies will be heading to. For example, right now, the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly trading in a red candlestick. And that means you should go hunting for short trading opportunities on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. But if the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly trading in a green candlestick, that means you should go hunting for long trading opportunities on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. And right now, it's time to go hunting for short trading opportunities on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. So click on the Bybit Live Crypto Trading Signals for shorts. And just like that, the Live Crypto Hunters AI tool has auto-generated a bunch of the right cryptocurrencies that can potentially make you more money today. And as you can see, these are the right cryptocurrencies you can literally trade on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange today. With that out of the way, if you want to grow your money fast on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange, head over to the livecryptohunters.com and apply for a free access to the Live Crypto Hunters AI tool. It's the best tool we've been using to generate massive profits on the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.